enlisted personnel?
No, Mr. President, because the total amount
As 35,000.
is 35,226. That's rank and file.
Yeah.
The officers and the non-commissioned officers. And the officers itself is only 3,299, Mr.
So
President.
that's around 1:10, no? That's the ratio.
Something like that, around that figure, Mr. President.
What is the authorized TONE, the Table of Organization and Equipment of the Philippine Coast Guard, if they have any?
The authorized is 38,000.
The authorized, Mr. President, is 38,000 members.
How about broken down into officers and non-commissioned officers? What is the
Okay, the
authorized TONE for officers and
Okay, the officers, Mr. President, is 3,299. The PCG non-officers is 31,117, while the probationary ensigns is 843, and the cadets is around 67, Mr. President.
67?
A total of 35,326.
Yeah. What is the primary source of commission of the officer corps of the PCG?
It's from the civilian.
Saan po nanggagaling yung kanilang?
We recruit from the civilians who train them in the Philippine Coast Guard.
The recruitment is from the civilian population, Mr. President, and then they're going to be trained in Coast Guard, Philippine Coast Guard, Philippine Coast Guard School, Philippine Coast Guard Training Center, because there is no Philippine Coast Guard Academy as of yet, Mr.
And
President.
that's why you're proposing the establishment of a Philippine Coast Guard Academy.
Yes, sir.
Now, of course, ang main concern ko lang yung budget, ano. So, may we inquire into the PCG's and vision plans for the proposed academy? Meron na po ba silang identified na location na pagtatayuan ng Philippine Coast Guard
The
Academy?
reason why we wanted that included so that we can accept donations.
So right now, wala pa po, Mr. President. That's why it is just a proposal para dun sa mga magbibigyan ng donation, they will be accepting donation. Makapag-umpisan silang maghanap ng location, Mr. President.
And if nobody will donate,
5 years
so-
from now. Hopefully, Mr. President, we're looking forward to some
Good
people or groups,
Samaritans.
Good Samaritans that would donate, Mr. President.
Okay, assuming that there's a donated lot, ano, to put up or construct the Philippine Coast Guard Academy, ang susunod na tanong is, ano yung funding required for the construction, and sama na natin yung annual operating budget to sustain the operations of the academy.
Sa ngayon, Mr. President, hindi pa covered yan sa bill na final ko, sa susunod na bill that would be incorporated into it, Mr. President.
So hindi pa kasama yung, but within 5 years, upon the effectivity of this measure, kailan may put up na yung Philippine Coast Guard Academy?
Yes, Mr. President. In 5
So
years.
wala sa assumption na may magdo-donate and wala pa sa assumption yung required funding for the construction plus operating expenses.
Pag wala pong mag-donate, Mr. President, ang grand total na ina-assume na magiging total amount is going to be around 3.04 billion pesos, Mr.
For the
President.
construction.
For the constructions, everything.
And what
kasama.
would be the annual projected appropriations to maintain?
One billion, sir. 1 to 1.3 billion.
It will be approximately 1.2 billion, Mr. President, approximately.
Just for the academy, no?
Just for the academy
Hindi, ito,
itself.
hindi kasama yung budget ng Philippine Coast Guard at present. It's just for the establishment of the
That is
or
correct, Mr.
construction
President,
and-
just for the academy.
Yeah, and the maintenance. No. Sa ngayon, there's an existing Joint Memorandum Circular number 1, series of 2025. And last year, when I was at the PMA, I was informed by the superintendent then that starting 2026, mag-allocate o mag-aalat ng 10 PMA cadets
That is
para
correct.
i-absorb ng PCG. And this is for 2026 to 2027?
That is correct. From academic year 2026 to 2027. At tama po kayo, meron ng memorandum of agreement between the DND and the Philippine Coast Guard, Mr. President, and the TOTR as well.
So that will be roughly less than 1% of the present strength of the cadet corps of the armed forces of the Philippines. Because right now, I believe there are around 1,200 PMA cadets.
That is correct, Mr. President.
Yeah,
Pero
so
parang lumilitaw na pa, 10% of the PMA class convening in academic year 2029 to 2030.
No, 10% increase, no? 10 cadets
No,
lang.
to 10 cadets, Mr. President.
So, starting
As of now.
2026, so itong pumasok ngayon, last April, kailan ba yung reception? April 1 pa rin ba? Or naging June na? You start ng academic year or ng cadet year?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
April-
Pati yung cadet.
April 1, Mr. President.
April 1, still April 1. So, that's our reception day actually, our very first day in the academy as plebes. So, 2026, they will graduate 728.
30, sir.
2030 ang graduation ng
Ang graduation.
2026 cadets.
So by 2030, meron ng 10 PMA cadets, graduating cadets that will join or will be absorbed by the Philippine Coast Guard.
That is correct, Mr. President.
And starting 2029, magkakaroon ng 10% increase, di ba? So magiging 11,
Correct, Mr. President.
2020, and so forth and so on.
That is correct, Mr. President.
Maximum of 10%.
Eventually, maximum of 10%
Graduate po.
of the graduating class, Mr. President.
Yes. So in the meantime, na wala pa rito sa proposed measure yung construction ng, kasi wala pang lupa eh.
Kaya, naghahanap pa lang, Mr. President.
Naghahanap pa lang. So ma-activate lang ito once na may mag-donate ng lupa because wala ba kayong asset?
Yeah,
wala bang
Mr.
asset ang Coast Guard?
So ngayon, Mr. President, wala. Nag-aantay lang donation and then kung hindi, pwedeng isama to sa GAA, Mr. President.
Yes, yes. The purchase of the lot. Ano?
The purchase of the...
Meron na ba silang iniisip kung saan ilalagay yung academy?
Mga possible.
As of now, Mr. President, meron mga possible locations, may mga suggestions, pero yan po ay nasa ongoing plan as to where exactly yung maging location ng academy, Mr. President.
Kasi we cannot justify inserting appropriations for the construction unless meron tayong lote, hindi ba?
That is
Kasi I'm
correct,
sure
Mr.
the
President.
Senate President and the chairman, the new chairman of the Finance Committee will be more than willing to put up something, or in the appropriations. Kasi pwede naman multi-year ito eh.
Tama.
Kasi kung magkano yung 3.5 for the construction alone, excluding the lot,
Excluding the lot.
Yes po, sir. It's 1 point.
No.
Kaya kung i-multi-year, pwedeng 1 billion a year pang startups.
So infrastructure, Mr. President, it is around 750 million pesos.
At least to start the
Just to start.
To start with, Mr. President.
Yeah, so during our budget deliberation for the fiscal year or calendar year 2027 at merong mag-donate within this year, pwede tayo mag-appropriate
Mas maganda, Mr.
under
President,
the
kung may mag-donate.
2027 GAA.
We can keep the ball rolling again.
Yeah, so we can keep the ball rolling. Hindi pa naman kaagad kailangan yung MOE or yung operating expense kasi wala pa yung building.
That is correct, Mr.
Anyway,
President.
I hope ma-realize tong matagal ng pangarap ng Philippine Coast Guard and we will be in full support of this measure. Thank you, Mr. President.
Thank you.
distinguished
Thank you, Mr.
sponsor.
President. Thank you very much.
Meron lang ako, Senator Raffy, quick question. Meron bang